John ranting about
Yeah. Yeah.
the PC left in the background.
I love the red and white stripes that go along with the blue stars of the towel. Katie, get the red and white stripes of the towel. There you
Oh,
go.
right.
It looks very patriotic. Doesn't that?
Yeah. Dude, you are close. Are you gonna say it?
Say timbers.
Uh-huh.
Timbers.
Man, Oliver, I'm so impressed with your perseverance. You could almost just push it over
What was that?
It means it took a ton of pictures of you.
all
Just
at
like
once.
100 of
Over
them.
and say timber.
Yeah, try pushing it over, Oliver. I think it'll go if you push hard.
Oh, I need a little more cutting.
Maybe a
You
little
know what
more.
I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull it so that it's easier to cut. There we go.
Oh, right. Open and
There you
say,
go.
ah. Yeah.
Let go when I say timbers.
I will.
Wait, stop.
Okay. Stop. I'm not touching it. It still has to go a little more. It's got about another inch to go. Otherwise, it'll split the trunk. So, Oliver, I'm going to suggest you come over here and do it this way for a few minutes.
I like doing it this.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ah, wiggly tree. Oh, the tree's getting dizzy, and it's gonna.
It's gonna go.
Do you want that much trunk?
It's gonna go.
Yeah, that's good for lots of presents.
Okay. 'Cause if you cut off some of the trunk, you get charged.
Whoa!
Boom!
Woohoo! You did it!
Almost there.
I've never seen him do
I
something
like that.
physical like this.
He's a Cub Scout now, Katie. Your troop would be so proud of you, Oliver. Your Cub Scout troop. If they saw you doing this, they'd be like, "He's a man."
Do you get a merit badge for this?
Oh no, not a badge!
Keep cutting. Almost there. Uh-oh, starting to rain.
Oh, that's good. Now you've got a real.
Yeah. Wow.
Uh-huh.
You gotta hand it to the kid.
I'm
Yep.
so impressed.
This is how you get confidence, by accomplishing real things.
Yeah.
Usually he
I'm
does
impressed,
physical
dude.
stuff
Are you gonna
right
take
away.
a billion?
Oh, you
Oh,
did it!
wow.
Yay!
Let's
How
see.
do I get this thing off?
You can't.
Let's see your Paul Bunyan face. You did it. Right on, babe.